I love making math enjoyable and as easy as possible. My goal with these math videos is to make them short, sweet, and lighthearted. So relax, believe in yourself. Let's go have some fun. Let's take a look at inequalities where we have multiple steps. Okay, so in this case, we have to solve for x. We have a greater than symbol here. We're going to treat it just like an equal sign, but there's a lot of things going on here. Let's first start by simplifying these parentheses. There's a minus symbol right out here in the front, which means I really need to distribute the negative through. There's a quick little math hack where if you just think of pushing that negative through, just simply means to change this to change the signs once you're inside the parentheses. So we have 4, and then this minus is going to jump in, minus 3x, and instead of a plus 2, it's going to be a minus 2. That's just a quick math hack. I'm going to bring down all the leftovers here. I need to start by collecting some like terms. On the left-hand side of my inequality, I have a positive 4 and a negative 2. So I'm going to pull those together real quick. So that is a positive 2. So I'm just going to put that out front. Minus 3x is greater than 6 minus 5x. From here, I have to start getting my x's on one side and my constants on the other. Because I'm dealing with inequalities, I'm probably going to go ahead and try to make my x values positive just because it's simpler. So I'm going to add my 5x over to my 3x. If that's the case, that means I need to move my 2 over to join the 6. And at this case, the 2 is positive, so I'm going to subtract the 2. Okay, so let me simplify. I'm just going to cross out the things that I know cancel out to 0. Negative 3x and positive 5x create a positive 2x. This symbol can drop down as is. And 6 minus 2 is 4. And one final step, x is greater than a positive 2. If I needed to also graph this, I'm going to make a quick graph with my positive 2. This symbol here is greater than, so I'm going to have an open circle or hollow circle. My arrow, the little math hack, as long as the x is in the beginning, x is greater than 2, is whatever arrow direction this is pointing, which is to the right, this arrow will also point that direction. So x is greater than 2. Yes, it is not included, so it's a hollow circle pointing to the right. There you go. How was that? Short, sweet, lighthearted? Hopefully you made a connection with that math video. Hopefully you had a moment where you said, oh, that makes sense. Go check out my other videos and let your friends know too.